What's up, everyone? I'm going to show you guys my grade A favorite, most profitable setup in the market. Okay. And it doesn't even require a whole lot. So the first thing I want price to be failing to swing higher or lower. And in this case, price is failing to swing higher. How do I know that? Because price is making lower highs and lower lows, right? So we have a high and we have a low. This high struggled to close higher than this high, and this low closed lower than this low, right? Then this low closed lower than this low. This high closed lower than this high, and then this low lower than this low. So price is making lower highs and lower lows, indicating it wants to sell. Another indicator for me that makes this a grade A is I also have imbalance to fill below price, which is a strong impulsive move to the upside of the market with little to no sellers involved, right? And bullish imbalance can only be filled with sellers. So I have my bullish imbalance here. Another indicator that makes this grade A is I also have my sell stop liquidity line. Okay, so sell stop liquidity is an area where sellers are struggling to break multiple times. Always an area, never one price point, and the wicks don't count. It's all about where price is closing. It's struggling to close below this area at least three or more times. That lets me know liquidity resides below and price is drawn into liquidity. So I have one, two, three reasons I want to look for a sell. Okay. The fourth and final reason would be a rejection off my order block, the last bullish candle before bearish momentum. Okay. I call that a bullet or a bearish order block. I wait for price to trade back into these areas for possible sell entries. Okay. If price rejects off this area, that would be my fourth and final confluence to enter into the trade. What could help me even more is I can draw my fib line, and something that I've just added to help me get more precise entries is if my fib line, the green ones here, from the 50% to the 79%, if price rejects these green lines, which are also aligning with my order block, that is extra confluence for me to get in a sell. All right, so let's keep it going. Look at that. Price not only rejected my green areas, it rejected my order block, and it never closed above my 100% red line, which lets me know the trade is at risk of being invalid, right? And as you can see, this trade worked out beautifully as it continued to push down. This is what I call a grade A setup because all my confluences were present. To learn more about this strategy, visit my website at www.havemercytrades.com.